वेलकम बैक वंस अगेन। आज हम अपने इस वीडियो में करेंगे क्लास 6 इंग्लिश द इंग्लिश चैनल बुक का चैप्टर 13 स्वदेशी के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। इसके एक्सप्लेनेशन का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेगा। साथ ही साथ इस बुक की कंप्लीट प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, तो आप वहाँ से देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देख लेते हैं। रीड टू अंडरस्टैंड। एक्सरसाइज ए, फ्लो चार्ट। रीजंस फॉर एम के गांधीज choice of dressing. Answer: national identity represents respect for Indian culture. Second, practicality suited to Indian climate. Third, Swadeshi movement. Clothing is hand woven and handmade. Fourth, economic simplicity, inexpensive and accessible to all. 5. Resistance to European influence, rejects copying European dress as a symbol of humiliation. 6. Hygiene and comfort, simple and healthier for daily life. Question number B. Answer these questions with reference to the contest. Mr. Irwin's letter suggests that I appear before the riots in a dress I have temporarily and especially adopted in Champaran to produce an effect. The fact is that I wear a national dress because it is the most natural and the most becoming for an Indian. Question number A. What are Mr. Irwin's claims on MK Gandhi's dress? Answer: Mr. Irwin's claims that Gandhi wears the dress temporarily in Champaran to create an effect. Question number B. Why does he wear the national dress? Answer: Gandhi wears the national dress because it is natural, simple, practical, and representative of Indian culture and climate. Question number C. What do you think is the national dress he is describing? Answer: The national dress refers to a simple, hand woven dhoti and shawl. Second reference: He has still not the courage, in spite of most admirable contact with me, to discard his semi anglicized dress, and whenever he goes to see officials, he puts his leg into the bifurcated garment and, on his admission, tortures himself by cramping his feet in inelastic shoes. Question number A. Who is he in these lines? What does he not have the courage to do? Answer: He is Babu Brij Kishore Prasad. He does not have the courage to abandon his semi European dress. Question number B. What does he do whenever he goes to see officials? Answer: He wears pants and inelastic shoes. Question number C. What do you think is the bifurcated garment that is being referred to? Answer: The bifurcated garment refers to trousers or pants. Short summary of the chapter Swadeshi. This chapter, an excerpt from third class in Indian Railways by M.K. Gandhi, is a letter defending his choice of wearing traditional Indian attire. Written in response to criticism in The Pioneer, Gandhi ji explains his preference for simple, hand woven clothing as part of his commitment to Swadeshi and his national identity. He refutes claims that his attire was a temporary choice to influence the riots of Champaran, emphasizing that it reflects his respect for Indian culture, practicality, and climate suitability. Gandhiji criticized the adoption of European dress by Indian as a sign of humiliation and false pride. He also humorously described the semi-European dressing habits of his associate Babu Brij Kishore Prasad while urging a return to traditional Indian customs. Some extra question and answers based on the story. First one: Who wrote the letter to the pioneer? Answer: M.K. Gandhi. Question number 2. What issue does MK Gandhi address in the letter? Answer: dressing. Third, where was Gandhi working when he wrote the letter? Answer: Champaran. Fourth, what woe influenced Gandhiji's clothing? Answer: Swadeshi. Question number 5. What is Gandhi's clothing made of? Answer: hand woven. Question number 6. Who did Gandhi respond to in the letter? Answer: Mr. Irwin. Question number 7. What does Gandhi consider copying European dress a sign of? Answer: degradation. Question number 8. What item does Gandhi avoid wearing for? Question number 9. What profession does Babu Brij Kishore Prasad belong to? Answer: lawyer. Question number 10. What does Gandhi criticize as being influenced by false pride? Answer: European dress adoption. Question number 11. What type of dress does Gandhi call natural and hygienic for Indians? Answer: national dress. Question number 12. Who called Gandhi a fakir? Answer: Winston Churchill. Question number C. Answer these questions briefly. First one. What were the criticism of Mr. Irwin on MK Gandhi? How did he respond to his criticism? Answer: Mr. Irwin claimed that Gandhi's attire in Champaran was temporary and meant to create an effect. Gandhi refuted this, explaining that he always wore the national dress, which he found most natural, simple, and representative of Indian culture. Question number 2. When and why did MK Gandhi stop wearing the national costume? Answer: he never stopped wearing his national costume but adapted it to align with the Swadeshi movement by making it entirely hand woven and hand sewn. Question number 3. How did MK Gandhi follow the vow of Swadeshi? Answer: he spun and wove his own clothes or used hand woven clothes made by fellow workers. Question number 4. Who was Babu Brij Kishore Prasad? How did MK Gandhi describe his choice of dressing? Answer: Babu Brij Kishore Prasad was a friend and fellow worker of Gandhi. Gandhi described his dress as semi European, including wooden sandals, trousers, and inelastic shoes, which Gandhi found impractical and symbolically oppressive. Symbolically oppressive. Question number 5. What was MK Gandhi's crusade against the educated Indians? Answer: Gandhiji's crusade was against educated Indians abandoning their traditional manners, habits, and customs to adopt European ways unnecessarily. Question number D. Critical thinking questions. First one. Why do you think people like Babu Brij Kishore Prasad surrendered to the dress of the Englishman? Did they lack courage or did they like the English culture better than the Indian culture? So the answer is people like Babu Brij Kishore Prasad may have adopted English dress due to societal pressure, aspiration of prestige, or to appear more acceptable to colonial officials. They likely lacked the courage to challenge these norms or feared losing professional respect. Question number 2. MK Gandhi claimed that copying European dress is a national sin. Do you agree with the statement? State why or why not. So, first one is agree. Copying European dress undermines culture identity, promotes dependency, and disregards the practicality of Indian attire. Disagree. Wearing European dress can be a personal choice and doesn't necessarily indicate rejection of one's culture, as long as it's not driven by shame, inferiority. तो ये तो हमने किए इस चैप्टर के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। इसके एक्सप्लेनेशन का लिंक, साथ ही साथ इस बुक के प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, तो आप वहाँ से देख सकते हैं। ये लास्ट चैप्टर था, तो ये कंप्लीट बुक जो है वो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक में अवेलेबल होगी, आप वहाँ से देख सकते हैं। आई होप आपको ये वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा होगा। पसंद आए तो लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना मत भूलिए, जिससे कि आपको आने वाले न्यू वीडियोस के अपडेट्स मिलते रहें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। हैव अ नाइस डे। पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।